Generative artificial intelligence is transforming how we create and innovate. These powerful systems can produce text, images, and more based on simple inputs. Understanding their mechanics is crucial for harnessing their full potential. This unit introduces you to the world of Gen AI and the art of prompt engineering. It's a vital skill for anyone looking to leverage AI effectively in business or creative endeavors. Prompt engineering is the process of designing, testing, and refining inputs for Gen AI systems. It's about communicating your intent clearly to the AI. Effective prompts unlock precise, relevant, and high-quality outputs. You will learn how Gen AI models interpret prompts and generate responses. We'll explore fundamental concepts, including various prompt engineering frameworks. This knowledge forms the bedrock of successful AI interaction. Creating impactful prompts requires precision and foresight. We will guide you through defining the AI's role, understanding its audience, and setting the desired tone. Specifying format and constraints is also essential for optimal results. The journey doesn't end with the initial prompt. You will master techniques for refining and testing your prompts. This iterative process ensures outputs consistently meet your objectives for relevance, accuracy, and quality. Apply prompt engineering across diverse scenarios, from content generation to data queries and automation. Discover how to integrate these skills into your professional workflow. This unit provides practical strategies for immediate impact. Finally, we address the critical aspects of responsible AI use. We will examine issues such as bias, data privacy, and intellectual property. Recognizing these risks is paramount for ethical and secure Gen AI deployment.